Hello everyone, you're watching Fit Food Flavors and I'm dietitian Manju Malik. Looking for a healthy, sweet snack that is nutritious, filling and incredibly delicious? Then you have to try this Healthy Makhana Seeds Laddu, made with the goodness of makhana and nutrient-rich seeds. These laddus are naturally rich in protein, healthy fat, fiber, magnesium and most importantly zinc and antioxidants. Unlike market sweets or snacks that are loaded with refined sugar and unhealthy fat, these laddus provide long-lasting energy and keeps you satisfied for longer. They are perfect as evening snack, pre-workout bites, travel snack or even to satisfy that post-meal sweet craving. The best part, no refined sugar, very little ghee and the recipe comes together in just few minutes. Let's check the ingredients out. So I'll be using 2 cups of roasted makhana, 1 cup of pumpkin seed, 1 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of soft dates, half a cup of grated jaggery, 2 teaspoons of ghee and 3 tablespoons of frozen grated coconut. You can use fresh grated coconut as well, and I'll be making around 20-21 small laddus. So to make these laddus, start by dry roasting the makhana on low flames until they are crisp. Lightly roast pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and once done, let everything cool down completely. Now add the roasted makhana, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, roasted peanuts, dates to a blender. Now pulse it few times to get that coarse mixture. Do not make a powder of it. Once done, keep it aside. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of ghee on low flame. Add grated jaggery or gur and let it melt gently. Avoid cooking it for too long. Once melted, add grated coconut and mix really well. This helps bind the laddus and also keep them soft and very moist. If you don't want to add coconut, you can skip it as well. Now add the blended makhana and seeds mixture and mix everything really well until the jaggery coats the mixture evenly. Now switch off the flame and allow the mixture to slightly cool down. It should still be warm enough to handle. Now shape the mixture into fist-size small laddus. If you don't want to make laddus, you can simply press the mixture into silicone molds or a tray and cut into healthy snack bars once set. That's it. Your healthy laddus are ready. As far as the nutrition is concerned, 2 laddus will give you 170 calories, 7 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fiber as well. To tell you the health benefits, makhanas are rich in antioxidants that helps protect cells from damage. They are great source of calcium, magnesium for bones and muscles, and light on stomach and keeps you feeling full. Pumpkin seeds are excellent source of plant protein. They are rich in zinc, magnesium, support your immunity and muscle health, and they also help in improving your hair and skin health. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, provides healthy fat that supports healthy heart, help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Peanut adds extra protein and healthy fat, increase satiety and provides sustainable energy, rich in B vitamins that support metabolism. Dates and jaggery provides natural sweetness without refined sugar, offers quick energy before workout or during busy day, contains small amount of minerals like iron and potassium. Why these laddus are a great snack? They are high in protein, high in healthy fat, rich in fiber that helps you stay full for long. They are healthier alternative to packaged sweets and snacks and desserts. They're great for kids, adults and anyone looking for a nutritious homemade snack. Perfect as a pre-workout snack or post-workout meal and healthy evening snack. They also help curb sweet craving in a healthier way. So if you enjoy this recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and share this recipe with your friend and family who loves healthy homemade snacks. Subscribe to the channel for more easy, nutritious and delicious and dietitian approved recipe. Comment below and tell me which healthy recipe you would like to see next. That's all for today. This is dietitian Manju Malik signing off. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay active and I'll be back very soon. Until next time, you take care. Bye bye.